I J K L
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
M
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
N
Mind the music and a step, and with the girls be handy.
O P
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain
Q
Pudding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
R
Yankee Doodle dandy.
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. I for Indian. I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea.
And there was Captain
J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea.
Proud he will not ride with
K for kangaroo.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
K for key.
Yankee Doodle dandy.
K for koala. He's cute and he's brown.
The girls be handy.
L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save.
Yankee Doodle went to
N for nail.
riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it
N for nose.
Yankee Doodle
N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange.
be handy.
O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question. Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.